Hola, bienvenidos, welcome and welcome back. If you are new here, which I anticipate a lot of you probably will be, please consider subscribing, dropping a like, all that good stuff. Maybe having notifications turned on because I have a lot more coming after this specific video. So stay tuned, please. So before the video officially starts and I get into all the details, I just want to give a huge thanks to Chris Stevens over from the HVACR videos channel for coming to me with this huge opportunity for you guys to be able to win something. Huge shout out to TruTech Tools. Of course, if you can't find anything locally at your supply house, maybe they don't carry something that you like to get, hit them up online. You can order whatever you need from there. Super quick shipping. I use them a lot when I can't get stuff here locally. And of course, for the new people that are coming in, my name's Adrian. I am in HVACR tech down here in South Texas. I specifically do restaurant work, kind of like what Chris does and a lot of the other guys that you might watch, Rick, Bill. So we do refrigeration mostly with some HVAC. That's what's here on the channel. I do some tool reviews from time to time, tool loadouts, van tours, you know, stuff like that that you guys are probably accustomed to seeing. And we run a family business here, so I actually do run this company as far as the HVAC side. And then we also have a hot food side that has like the cooking equipment. We repair those too. My videos are mostly the HVACR side of things, a little bit of running the business and things like that. So if you guys are interested, like I said, please consider subscribing, helping out the channel. And I myself am 15 years in the business. I kind of hit the floor running. Got my license super quick, so I am a licensed contractor in the state of Texas. I got that as soon as I could, and I've been out here, you know, doing what I do. So on the channel, I started it just to show the crazy things that we see out there. I'm sure a lot of you guys understand, you know, bypass things, messes everywhere, you know, the crazy things that we see in this field. And it kind of just turned into helping others out. The community over on Instagram and YouTube has been great. So I'm trying to push more content that's helpful for you guys, maybe kind of explain things as I'm working. Of course, trying to be as polished as Chris is on his channel. So if you guys have seen any of my videos, I hope you guys enjoyed. All right, and down to the nitty gritty, the rules, right? This is my game, my rules, I guess. Currently, I do have another giveaway going. If you want to go back to the last video, I have an MCT Vito bag to give away. That should be currently still going on if this is posted on the weekend, and that's the last weekend for that. I do have more giveaways coming actually that I need to get out, but that's going to be pushed back so we could do this one for you guys. So remember how I said that TruTech Tools has everything that you need. They have equipment, refrigeration equipment like vacuums, recovery machines. They have gauges, they have coil cleaners, they have hand tools. If you guys like Klein or any of those other German tools, they have all of that. So we're gonna be giving away a gift card to one of you guys. So hopefully that helps one of you guys. So one of my things was I always wanted to give back. So like I said, I'm really thankful for this opportunity to help you guys with a gift card. You can buy a whole bunch of things off of TruTech Tools. This, I think, is a really good way to get you either elevate your game, get you started, whatever it may be, get you the right tools. So I just need a way to get your guys' names together so that I can pick somebody. So please, you know, consider subscribing, drop a like, and leave a comment. Now, you can leave a comment as to what you need the gift card for. You know, I read through all the comments, or I try to. Tell me what you guys are gonna use the gift card for. Tell me, you can leave a comment just on the channel overall. Last time they were just, you know, telling me why they watch the channel. You can just also tell me that you want to be entered, and that'll get you in. So just leave a comment, that way I have a list of names that I can draw from. Also, I want to make sure that I make this available to as many of my supporters, viewers, whatever you want to call them, as possible. So over on my Instagram, I'm gonna have a video too, or I'm gonna clip this into a short video, and you can enter over there too. So on Instagram, you can follow me, like that post, and leave a comment, and I'll probably have the rules up there. It's probably gonna be tagging other people in the comments. And from there, I can also get you all's names and have you as an entry. So like I said, a comment will get you entered here. Over there, you can enter on Instagram. Those are the two main platforms that I post on. You guys can find me on any platform. Realistically, if you guys just search Reliable HVACR, you'll find me. And like I said, thanks to Chris, thanks to the True Tech Tools for this awesome giveaway. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys get great use out of the gift card, and good luck to everybody. See you guys.